English by Jammy.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am from a beautiful country called Thailand. I was born in a very big city called Bangkok. It's a very busy city with a lot of people and a lot of cars. Bangkok is very hot and the food is so good. But now I live in a city called Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is smaller and quieter. It has big mountains and many trees. I really like living here. I have a small family. There are 4 people. My mother, my father, my younger sister, and me. My mother is a teacher and she loves books. My father is an engineer. My sister is still a student. And I have a pet. Well, actually I have 2 pets. The first one is a cat. His name is Lucky. Lucky is a black and white cat. He is very cute and loves to sleep on my bed. The second pet is a dog. Her name is Molly. Molly is a small brown dog. She is very friendly and loves to play in the garden. I have many friends. My best friend is named Lisa. She has long hair and big, happy eyes. Lisa is a very kind person. We often go to the park together. We like to walk and talk and drink coffee. I also have another good friend named Mark. He is very funny. He likes to watch movies. On Saturdays, we often watch a movie together. My hobbies are simple. I like to listen to music and I like to read books in my free time. My life is quite simple. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast, usually eggs and bread. I love to eat. My favorite food is rice with chicken. It is a traditional Thai food. I also love the color blue. It is my favorite color. My favorite day of the week is Friday because it is the start of the weekend. My phone number is 089-123-4567. You can call me anytime. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you learned a little bit about me. Goodbye for now.